Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about pronouns. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. We learned what are nouns. Okay. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. For example, he, you, I, myself, his, her, they, it, etc. are pronouns. Then, personal pronoun. A pronoun that stands for a person or a thing is called a what? A personal pronoun. For example, I, we, they, his, her, etc. are personal pronoun. There are 3 persons. How many persons? 3 persons. First person, second person and third person. Then, first person. The first person is the person speaking. For example, I, me, mine, we, us, ours are pronouns of the first person. Then, second person. Second person is the person spoken to. For example, you, yours are pronouns of the second person. Then, third person. The third person is a person or thing spoken about. For example, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs are pronouns of the third person. I hope you understood what I said. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.